Dear students, welcome to Study Bus, the online study channel. Today we are going to study computer subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 5. Chapter name is Keyboard. The concept is we are going to learn about symbol keys and special keys. Let's start our chapter. Friends, do you know apart from letters and numbers, you can also enter symbols using a keyboard? Let us learn about symbol keys in this chapter. You will also learn about some special keys. So, what are symbol keys? Symbol keys are used to enter different symbols in a document. Some examples of symbol keys are equal to, plus, less than, minus, hash, greater than, question mark, at the rate, exclamation mark, dollar sign, percentage, and asterisk, small bracket and medium bracket, and so on. Some symbols are present on the upper part of the number keys and some are printed separately on the keyboard. Look at the keyboard given here to see where the symbol keys are located. All the orange keys are symbol keys. Special keys. Special keys are used to give commands, move from one position to another, play games, change the function of other key. You have learned that enter, delete and backspace keys in the previous class. Let us learn about some more keys. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on a keyboard. Pressing the spacebar key once gives an empty space between text, letters, words and numbers. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard: up, down, left and right. Pressing these keys, you can move the cursor in all the 4 directions on the screen. Arrow keys are also known as cursor control keys. Caps lock key. It is used to type letters in capital. To use the caps lock key, press it once. The light on the caps lock turns on. Any alphabet that you type appears in capital on the screen. For example, if you type computer, it will appear as computer with capital letters. Press the caps lock key again to turn it off. Now, any letter that you type will appear in small letters on the screen. Shift key. The shift key appears twice on keyboard. It is always used along with the keys such as alphabet keys, number keys, symbol keys and sometimes with special keys too. The shift key is also used to type capital letters and symbols. For example, if you keep pressing the shift key while typing school, it will appear as school with capital letters. Info box. A key that is used to both turn on and off a function is called a toggle key. Caps lock and num lock keys are toggle keys. Now, let's do the textbook exercise. Tick the correct answers. How many shift keys are present on a keyboard? So, there are 2 shift keys are present on a keyboard. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a symbol key? So, capital T is not a symbol key. Question number 3. The symbol keys are present on the upper part of number keys. Question number 4. Which of these options is not used to capitalize letters? So, arrow keys is an option which is not used to capitalize the letters. Now, fill in the blanks. There are 4 cursor control keys on a keyboard. The space bar key is used to give space between letters. The shift key is used along with other keys. The caps lock key is a toggle key. Now write true and false. The spacebar key is the longest key on a keyboard. So this is true statement. The caps lock key is used to type small letters. This is a false statement. Special keys are used to enter different symbols in a document. This is also a true statement. The shift key cannot do anything on its own. This is also true statements. So here we have completed our textbook exercise. Hope you have understood the chapter. If you have any problem, please watch the video again. Thanks for studying with StudyBus.